Mujumbe w'ibunge ya South Mugirango musikizirwa na Sosoro nikagendete niganga yaye yo gusira amasomo imebunge yo wetira somo rubolyoye bwosoro kya club litukolia lero niga musikosoro aire libagalia bene kubwatoka shilingi milioni 40 wechiasi abarkiwa abalia bagosoma asukuru ao imeyensi ya Kenya kurwase ebunge yo ya South Mugirango.
Watu wamekuwa drawn from different wards. 0.36 million shillings ya school fees.
Egatiye chisukuru chiri chianyora ekerengo kigoromono ase murobelyo yo ne skuru ya bamura ya Kise School ire ya bamura ya Kanotunga nabo igweri ya baisike ya Kerry Girls egati ye chinde chinyinge aborokia abanebe chisukuru echo nigobago kerege tambokerekyo ase bamotogia umusikyo osoro ase getambokerekyo ngiyo kugendera kurwa ogosira gochia ase aborokiwa eliweyemo ne chimi isano na isato abo bataganirie kwa kana kende gyonsi ase amasomo abo.
Mheshimiwa, thank you so much for what you are doing. Mimi natoka Kitutu Masaba constituency and I'm envying your constituency because I've never seen such a gesture. You lead and let others follow. Number two, wazazi wetu una bahati sana, yani to get somebody anakulipia karo ya mtoto wako yote. You have to pray for such a person, for such a leader, and you have no other.
We have a solo care of 27 students. We already brought 10 to thank you most sincerely that you are a game changer of these students. We will receive the highest. This is the highest scholarship that I have ever received as a principal of Kise School, 1.3 million.
Umusikyo soro boigo nigaira libagelyo na kobolia abamenyi bebunge yo ya South Mugirango koba abalemereri ase alia eira yogo chikogendera gosira amasomo kubeka estima ase binyorogo etani 52 na boigo kwendeke bunango nyora bale amoyo yeligo lidense egrara nyalko bagagosoka kurwa ase serikali.
Pesa za barabara tumeikwamua. Contractors wamelipwa this week. All contractors wa barabara za lami wanarudi on site zile barabara zetu. Mbolea ya hii mwaka ya kupanda mtaanza kuichukua kutoka kwa hii ofisi vile tulisema the other time na etago kuanzia next week. 17 vile tezesi mangche kuigura doko doresti leyo. Toage. Koko jakobeka street light kigera kwenda kule tamwe yale. Kochakera koru kama gambo. Baketa bakanya mondo. Next month tunataka kuwalipia medical scheme ya SHA. Unaingia hapo sisi tunakulipia. Wewe unaenda hospitali unatibiwa, unaongoja maisha yako.
Umusikyo osoro boigo nigaira libagelyo kobolia bakenya kwa serikali yo muraibense umusikye William Ruto libaga nakoba abalemereria elibanyale koba bakwenyorera amagendero.
Between a promise and delivery. Between a promise and what? There is a what? Waiting period. Ukiahidiwa kitu, jua kuna waiting period. Wacha kutaka vitu zifanyike immediately.
Kubatikana amone getambokero kyomu wasiri bobokoleri omoske Justin Muturi komochia serikali nigo moske osoro amabolya moske Muturi wetia emirimo limolioka gose bamurusia bisi chingaki ebunge iraranire ebikaro byaye asokota abuna takomochia serikali elie ase ale oyo mobobo bwatani be serikali yo.
Juzi niliona waziri fulani akiita press akicastigate president, akicastigate security agencies. The level of pretense that we have in this government, in this country, iko juu sana. Wewe ni cabinet secretary, unaketi kwa cabinet, unaketi na rais kila siku, unaongea na polisi kila siku, unaita press kulia juu ya polisi. You either shape up or do what? You don't want to work in the government, please exit. You can't be in government and continue blackmailing the president. Tutakutoa.